Balancing poses are an extremely important part of any yoga practice. Not only do they develop tremendous strength in the core, but they also force you to be in the present moment. If you're not paying attention, you'll fall over. When practicing any balancing poses, you want to make sure that you pick a focus point. In Sanskrit, we call this a drishti, so you might hear the teacher call it by that. Pick a focus point directly on the floor in front of you or on the wall across from you. Just make sure you pick something to focus on that isn't moving. To demonstrate how to balance, I'll show you tree pose. Start by pressing all four corners of the right foot down into the floor. Roll the left knee out to the side. Hands are on your hips. If you're just beginning, you might want to keep the left toes on the floor. Otherwise, the next step would be to take that left foot and bring it to the inside of the right calf. If you want to try a little bit of a challenge, you could grab the ankle and bring that left foot all the way up to that right thigh. When you feel steady here, bring the palms together at the heart center. Again, building the pose from that foundation, lift the right kneecap to engage that quadricep and then reach both sides of the waist up nice and long as you extend through the crown of the head. You can keep the palms at the heart center if you feel steady here. If you want to change the center of gravity, you could bring the palms up overhead. Make sure as you bring the palms up overhead, the shoulders don't creep up in toward the ears. Stay in this pose for 5 breaths or more, and if it starts to get boring, try and balance while closing your eyes. If at first you feel uneasy practicing balancing poses standing on one foot, keep a chair nearby or feel free to put your arm on the wall. In no time, once you focus on your drishti point and you pay attention to your breath, you'll be practicing without a prop on your own.